Hi, my name is Dave Andrews. Today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about. Now, C is a very powerful programming language. It's been around for a very long time. It's been extended and modified into another programming language called C++, and many languages are based on C, such as C#, which is one of the more newer programming languages that are available. Let's go to our computer and I'll show you a little bit about C. Now, C has a fairly complicated syntax, but once you learn how to read it and how to look at it, it's not that difficult to program in. Just go to google.com, and to get started with C, I'd suggest you search for the phrase "Hello World" in C. Now, this pulls up probably the very first link here is an example program in C that is called Hello World, which is a program that many programmers write when they're learning a very brand new programming language. This one's written in C, and as you can see, it includes the standard input and output library, and then it prints to the screen Hello World, and that's all that it does. Now, this is an example of the C syntax where everything is enclosed in braces. Your main function is the very first function that's ran. To learn C, you're going to want us to do a lot of searches on the internet for C programming tutorials. And this is one of the major sites around, cprogramming.com. It's all about C and C++. And basically, it gives you all of these tutorials that you can click on here to learn the basics of C programming language. Now, many video games nowadays are written in C and C++, and they will continue to be for some time because it's a very fast, very efficient computer language to program in. My name is Dave Andrews, and I've just told you a little bit about C.